For the first time since mid-March, New York City is reporting no new coronavirus deaths. But there are growing concerns about an increase in cases across the country as states reopen and protests continue. CBS News correspondent Manuel Bojorquez has the latest from Miami.
We got our life back. Yay, we're finally open.
It's opening day for nightclubs, bars, and movie theaters across Florida today as most of the state moves into phase 2, even as cases continue to increase statewide.
We're going to have peaks and flows, especially because it's so challenging to deal with this virus.
Dr. Eileen Marty is an infectious disease expert who helped write Miami-Dade's reopening guidelines. She says the spike in new cases is partly due to data dumps from testing labs, but that increased activity from relaxed stay-at-home rules is also in play.
Do you see those guidelines being followed, or are people being too lax?
Well, that's the bottom line. The guidelines only work if they're followed. And there's a lot of resistance to following some of the guidelines.
Dr. Marty also warns that the recent demonstrations following the death of George Floyd could cause a spike in cases nationwide as crowds of thousands gather in cities across the country. Even so, there are positive signs. Last week, 24 states reported increases in their average new COVID-19 cases compared to 2 weeks earlier. On Thursday, that number fell to 17 states. In Las Vegas, the famous fountains at the Bellagio sprang to life for the first time in more than 2 months as several casinos along the Strip reopened Thursday. Mandatory temperature checks were enforced at the door, one of a handful of new safety measures like plexiglass barriers at game tables and hand-washing stations on the casino floor. Cleaning crews will walk the floors at all times to disinfect surfaces and high-contact objects. But guests are not always required to wear masks, and some guests say they're not interested in social distancing rules.
I'm not a big fan of that, but if it makes people feel better, and more power to it.
We're very concerned that our public health message isn't resonating.
During a congressional hearing Thursday, Centers for Disease Control Director Dr. Robert Redfield stressed that wearing masks remains an important tool in fighting the virus.
These social distancing strategies that we've learned are something we need to perfect because we're going to need them to be our major defense again in October, November, and December.
Health officials are also talking about reopening schools in the fall. In an interview with CNN, Dr. Anthony Fauci seemed to retreat from a position he took earlier this year when he said that it would be a reach to suggest that all schools remain closed. He did say, however, that reopenings could look different in different places depending on local viral activity. Manuel Bojorquez, CBS News.